This is the second series of the avian sculptures for BRIGHTON. And so for this piece here, what's really unique is how the feathers and the detail of each bird are expressed. So these cutouts here were all unique, and each wings and the body posture are designed so that it really interact with the landscape itself. Because when you look at it, when it interact with the sun and the shadow and the landscape, it's starting to transform itself into something else. So it's something that is really interesting to me and the team here.